The community deserves this. They deserve to be able to not just experience the quality of learning that they've always gotten, but to see what that feels like, sounds like, and how they can engage in a 21st century space.
The old school was a very traditional setting, with classrooms separated by walls, not any common spaces. So this is a complete sea change. We're able to be in a 21st century learning environment where the students can collaborate, which is really, what universities and companies are looking for.
Not only does a building like this allow teachers very real, functional collaborative spaces, but it gives students access to similar spaces so that they have a myriad of differentiated ways to access the learning and to engage with the learning and to show proficiency regarding the learning. That's what a 21st century building can do.
I think more than anything, we are NODEA, we're the relentless improvers. Our mission is to educate, engage, empower. This 21st century facility is perfect for that mission. And to me, that translates as we're here to change lives for our kids. We're here to transform them because our hardworking and hard-serving military parents, our men and women in the forces, they deserve nothing less for their own children. Our mission is to take care of the kids, educate, engage, and empower them so they don't have to worry about them while they're on their own mission.